Right to the winner in this category, projects with a value of between $2 million to $5 million. The winner is HEB Construction, Interislander Rail Ferry, 3 Linkspan Project. The benefit of an established working relationship between Kiwi Rail and HEB was called on when critical wharf works were required to accommodate the UK ferry Valentine, brought in to replace the main Cook Strait Ferry, Kaiarahi. The Valentine has a much wider and heavier stern door for loading traffic, requiring the port's hydraulic link span to be upgraded. In addition to the construction of the new link span, there was a requirement to maintain the existing Interislander ferry services for the port owner Centreport, making the project more challenging. This was truly a great outcome for the client Kiwi Rail, port owner Centreport, and the constructor HEB, with the new link span operable as planned on the 24th of December 2021, just in time for the busy summer holiday period. Congratulations, HEB Construction.
Right, well, I've got our key partners here, which is actually the client and the designer, up with us tonight because we can't take credit for this on our own. This project was a true example of a team effort to achieve success. And while I've got the lectern, I need to pay tribute to those people in our supply chain that led to the success. That includes Steel and Tube Reinforcing, Acme Engineering, Wellington Engineering, Cullen Engineering, Pollock Cranes, Nautical Marine, Neptune Marine and Craneworks. All of these guys went above and beyond the normal expectations. They answered the phone at all hours and worked extra shifts when required at short notice. I would like to say I inspired these guys towards success, but the truth is everyone got what we were doing, the reason we were there, and everyone just dug in. We also had a core team of critical decision makers. It was a very short program that we had to meet and a tight deadline. So Holmes Group and Kinner Engineering, they designed this thing on top of their already very busy schedule. Unfortunately for us, they just kept on designing and designing. Every time we thought we were at the end of the tunnel, no, there was more design to build, but it was all very necessary to make it work. And then Kiwi Rail got very close to the action, and Interislander. So decisions had to be made very quickly, and they were, so that we could keep rolling and meet the very tight program that we had. And they kept a close eye on us. I could almost guarantee that when that late evening steak went on the barbecue, I was going to get a phone call from the client just to make sure we're on track. And then HEB, I mean, we were able to draw on experts within our team. We were very lucky in this regard. Sort of the project happened very quickly. We could reach out to our people and know with confidence that we were going to be able to get what we needed to do. That was our temporary works team, our plant team, engineering, safety and environmental. And I think the key to success that's been sort of pointed out several times tonight was the existing relationships that we have across the entire project team. So we had trust and confidence in each other based on our long history of good behaviour and performance. And so we were able to gel very quickly and deliver this tight program. So yeah, those relationships aren't built overnight. They take time, they take years, and it was good to see it all come together very quickly. So thanks very much.